Alright, so here is the best way on how you can fix World App technical issues. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can fix World App technical issues. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, what you need to do is simply head over to your settings. And just like that, once you're inside your settings, what you need to do is simply go to General. And inside General, you have to go to iPhone storage. And right over here, you gotta find the World App. So just scroll down a bit until you find World App. So it must be somewhere. Yeah, here we go. This is World App. So just simply press on it. And right over here, you gotta press on Offload App, just like this. And once you've offloaded the app, just go ahead and reinstall it. So if you don't want to reinstall it, just go ahead and simply delete the app, just like this. Once the app is deleted, what you can do is just go to App Store again and type in World App and just simply download it from here, from this icon, pressing on it. Once you download it, check it. If the technical issues are fixed, then you're good to go. But if it's not, what you can do is just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your cellular data and try it with that. If it's still not fixing, then what you can do is just simply reset your iPhone and it might fix that. So yeah, these were the best ways on how you can fix World App technical issues. So I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.